Let's talk about liability for estimates, because built into the B101 is the idea that the architect should have a pretty good idea of what the costs of things are, and that they're making a commitment essentially.
Correct.
That things will come in reasonably close to the original budget.
Yeah, the average owner is looking to the architect to say, hey, I can tell you how much it's going to cost to do this project. And so they have to do they have to do an estimate at the end of schematic, design, and construction documents. Here, this is recognizing, in the past it said if you have a budget bust, the architect had to redesign for free essentially. But the architects pushed back here and said, but you know, there may be market forces that change. You know, if we look at even we can talk about what's going on in public right now. What's going to happen to the price of steel?
Right.
And the architect has given a budget. You guys, you have actually given your client a budget. It's gone out to bid, and we don't know what's going to happen to the price of steel. And when that project comes in 15, 20% overwards, why is the architect responsible for it? Shouldn't be. That's what this new language says, is that the architect doesn't necessarily have to be responsible, because the market conditions are things it can't see in the future.
But if you come in double the original estimate and it's not about the steel or something, well, then you
the
are
architect
responsible.
exactly.
You have to redesign.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay.